I'm going to show you how to add chat onto a website within Hubspot. I'm going to create a chat flow. I'm choosing a website, and that gives me the option to design how the chat visually looks like to start with. I can apply my custom branding, which I'll keep in these lovely colors. And then next, I'm defining the chat flow. What is the chat flow? Create a welcome message to greet visitors when they come to your website. So, hi, nice to see you here. Any questions? I'm happy to help. And then you can actually specify the top part, so specific user and teams, or it could actually be the contact owner. So that's pretty cool. It can be one person, or it can be, you could have like a default person. So it's always Jack from your company. So it's always the same person to address, or you can have specific teams. So I'm just going to leave this as it is. Automatically assign conversations. Yeah, I'll do that. Assign to me. Then let's go availability. So during business hours, I can define that. That's pretty cool. Based on team member availability, when at least one team member has set themselves as available to chat. That's pretty cool. Or always. So I would probably say during office hours. So this is my away message. Show away message. Where right now we're back outside. Will be show return time. Typically replies in a few minutes. Now we can have a preview. So this is pretty much like intercom, isn't it? So this is pretty cool, and I would now publish it. That's pretty much it. That's how simple.